Hi my little shardies, welcome and welcome back. This is Christina with Shhh Art Online. I have a quick haul here from Blick art material that I wanted to share with each and every one of you. I'm super excited about what I have in this box. Alright, without further ado, let's get to this. Alright, I just took the tape off on the outside and we're opening it together. And I think I'm just going to show you the top here and then put it off to the side and pull out each of the items. Hey, it's packed well. Yippee. Alright, there's my box. These are coming out. Let's check it out. Alright, I ordered 8 blender pencils. I've been going through these a lot and I've given a couple away, so I was running really low on them. I wanted to go ahead and grab some more. Can't have too many of those, so that's the first thing I ordered. The second thing I ordered are some of these Tgaal pencil sharpeners. I absolutely love them, but the blades have been going dull pretty quickly, and I hadn't seen them before on Blick's website, so I went ahead and picked up some more. And I didn't know that Tgaals were made by Holbein. I had 2 other ones, and unfortunately my cat likes to knock them around the room. She pulls them off my desk, and she broke the last one I had, so I wanted to go ahead and pick up a few more. The next thing I ordered were 2 of these, I think they are cum sharpeners. Yeah, 2 of these basic cum sharpeners, and I ordered them because they have 2 different size holes, and I'll show you why I needed them. The Tgaals only have 1 size hole, and I needed ones that were just a little bit bigger. I also picked up a Faber-Castell black sketch pad. This size is 9 by 12, and I wanted to go ahead and give this a shot. I have a couple ideas that I wanted to use this paper for. Alright, I also picked up 2 sets of water brushes. I picked up the Caran D'Ache water brushes, so I want to go ahead and give them a shot and see if I like them. And I also picked up the Molotow Aqua squeeze pens. And I'll leave a link in the description for as many of these items as I can. There's not many more. I think there's 2 more items. Let me go ahead and show you the sizes of these water brushes. So that's a really nice size detail brush. I believe that's the 1mm. This is the 3mm. And this one is the 4mm. I found for me that I like a little bit of a stiffer bristled brush when I'm using stuff like the Derwent ink tints, so that's why I keep trying water brushes until I find ones I love. I don't know what brand this one is, but I use this one all the time, and I only have one, so I wanted to go ahead and pick up some more. Alright, and the next one are these Caran D'Ache, and this is large, medium, and fiber tipped. I'll show you what those look like. So that must be the fiber tipped one. Ooh, I really like that. Again, nice firm bristles on that. And this one must be the large. And I will be trying these out in a video probably this week, or well, next week if you're watching this. Alright, and the last 2 items I purchased were these Pearlescent colors by Finetech. And I saw these on one of my trips in to Blick Art, and I wanted to go ahead and give them a try. As you guys know, I'm always on the hunt for metallic watercolors, and I like the fact that this had varying shades of gold and silver, so I wanted to go ahead and give that a shot and see if I like them. I will try to feature these in a video in the next couple weeks. Alright, this last purchase is going to come with a little bit of an explanation. In a past haul video, I showed you guys that I had purchased these Lyra Aquacolors. I hated them. When I colored with them, I would get lines. I didn't know if it was me, like what was going on, but I did not like these at all. I did not like the way they laid down, and I had heard really good things about them, so I was very, very disappointed. Just after purchasing these, I had gone to Michael's and found these Caran D'Ache Neocolor 2s that everyone raves about. But I had tried these Lyra or Lyra ones first, and I hated them so badly. And then a bunch of my subscribers were telling me that the Caran D'Ache Neocolor 2s were very similar to these Aqua colors, and I had chose not to use them. And about a week ago, I pulled these out and said, I'm just going to give it a try and see what I can do with them. To make a long story short, I fell in love. This is a couple of the things I'm working on with these in Worlds Within Worlds. I was able to use a very limited palette and do most of the work on this page with the Neocolor 2s. I then went over top of it with my Prismacolors to give it a little bit of contrast, but I fell in love with the crayons during this page. I had another image that I had been working on that I had messed up and just kind of put to the wayside and never opened the book again in Color Morphia. I started to do this gorilla and it just wasn't turning out, and I was able to go in with the Neocolors again, very limited palette. I think I was using 4 of the colors in the 15 pack that I received, and I was able to get it back to a point where I feel like I can work with it. So I'm extremely excited to use these Neocolors. There is a little bit of a learning curve, and I still don't know, I think, enough about it that I would be willing to make a video online, but I'm hoping in the next week or so, as I continue to play with this, I'll get more comfortable in making a video on some of the tips and tricks I've learned, some of the things that I've been able to do with it, and I think I might be able to incorporate some of the things I've learned about using the Neocolor 2s into the Lyras. Maybe instead of coloring with them, because that seems to be my problem, was coloring and then I would put water on it and the lines would not come up. I'm wondering if I can use it more like I would, like the Derwent Inktense. I had used little shavings off of here and was able to pick up the color with the water brush and lay it down. That's how I did the gorilla, and I think I might be able to try that with this and see how it works. But this brings me to the last thing I purchased, which is in this box. I purchased the full set of the 84 Neocolor Aquarelles. I was not going to do it. I was very, very, very much against any kind of the Aquarelles, again, because of the Lyra ones. But after I started using this set here, I realized I am going to use them a lot. They make things so much easier, and I really, really, really enjoy using them. Before I continue to go ahead and open this package here, I just wanted to let you know that in my opinion, these in no way compare to these. I will be trying to use these in a different way, but these are so smooth. I love them. They, like, the lines come right out when you wet it, which is amazing. Again, I apologize about the glare. I have overhead lighting. And I'll just read you this little blip that's over here. Neocolor 2 Aquarelle, entirely designed and produced in our workshops in Geneva in accordance with the highest quality requirements of the Swiss-made label Neocolor 2. Water-soluble wax pastels are ideal for artists and fans of creative hobbies of every age looking for a multi-support artistic companion. All right, let's get a look at these. And this just talks about Caran D'Ache. And I'm not quite sure what these labels are for, but there's some labels here. Maybe they're stickers, I don't know. But they have each of the, I don't know if I can, yeah, it's not going to let you see it. It's a clear label with white writing, and it talks about each one. Like it says permanent color Pablos, super color 2s. It tells you just each one of the Caran D'Ache products. Wow, check these out, guys. One of the reasons I wanted the larger sets is because I had realized when I was using the smaller set here, it just didn't have a lot of the colors I was looking for. One, there's no pink. So, and I thought pink was kind of important, and there was no skin tones really. So I wanted to make sure that I had a pack large enough to get the skin tones. And I thought about getting the smaller pack of 30, but I was, again, not sure. So I figured I'll go ahead and get the larger pack, and then I'll just buy them individually, because you can do that on Blick Art's website. You can buy each of these crayons individually. So I'm sure I'll have my favorites that I use all the time. Let me see if there's another layer. Alright, that's kind of neat. Let me go ahead and put this back in here. It has a second layer. I can't pull this up. They're all going to fall out if I show you. Where you pull the tin up. So this container doesn't come out from underneath of it. The tin does. You pull the whole tin aside. And here is the second layer. I'm so excited to use these. I am going to try to make a video real soon with these. Probably, again, next 1 or 2 videos. Even if I don't have it perfect, I want to go ahead and show you guys some of the things that I've been able to figure out to do with them. I really love the color range. And if you guys would like to see a video with the color swatching, I'll go ahead and do that. But I think I'm going to pass on doing that in this video to keep it short and sweet for you guys. And I'm sorry, I know I'm saying guys, but I call everyone guys, girls. It's kind of like a y'all thing. Everyone's guys to me. Unless I'm speaking to someone individually, and then, you know. And I really, 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 really can't wait to try maybe doing some skin tones with these as well. I feel like I'm so late in the game with these. Everyone's been raving about them forever, and I just didn't think it was going to be my thing. But it is. They remind me so much of the Derwent Inktense, the way they lay down and the way they're able to be used. I really, 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 really loved mixed media type of products. So I'm going to be very excited to give those a shot. I will put a link in the description box below for all of these items. I hope maybe you've seen something you guys like. Again, I am always on the lookout for specifically gold type watercolors, so if anyone has any recommendations for some gold color watercolors, please make sure you comment in the comment box below and let me know what you like. I'm definitely looking for a set that has a range of golds, not just one shade of gold. I'm not a super big watercolor person, but I'm getting there. These Aquarelles and my Inktense, you know, it definitely gives me a love for that kind of thing. I'm just not very good at watercolors at this point. I hope to see you all in my next video. If you like what you see, make sure you hit like and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you're told each and every time I post a new video. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, color happy, and remember, shh, it's our little secret.